Born to deceive, the caterpillar sings. In search of food, it must descend into the underworld, patrolled by savage armies of myrmica ants. They can take down prey thousands of times their size. A tiny grub seems an easy target, especially one that emits an alluring scent, betraying its presence. The caterpillar is an easy size to carry back to base, but this caterpillar doesn't smell like food. It smells like family. Born to deceive, that special caterpillar odor smells so similar to the ants' grubs that they treat it like their own. Enhance its disguise, the caterpillar sings. It's copying the song of the most important ant in the colony, the queen, forcing dedicated workers to tend to its every need, while the colony protects it, cleans it, and feeds it. The audacious caterpillar can keep up the act for 2 long years, until 100 times its original weight. No longer smelling like a baby ant, it needs to get out fast. Finally, the Alcon blue is free.
They are called periodical cicadas, and each is on a critical mission to secure the next generation. Instinct drives the swarm to climb. Many fall at the first hurdle. But this male has found a good spot, a tall tree, the ideal place to make a dramatic transformation. He unfurls new wings, and his adult form is revealed. Around him, the others change too, ahead of the next stage of the mission. But the volume can exceed 96 decibels. But for the cicadas, this isn't a horror story. It's a romance. With many males for every female, it isn't straightforward. Perhaps 3's a crowd. Maybe she's the one. It's time for a cicada serenade. And there it is. A snap of her wings that shows his charms have won her over. After 17 years of waiting, a brief encounter is all it takes to fertilize her 500 eggs. For the males, adult life is very short. After just a month, it's all over. While above, the female lays her precious eggs. A few weeks later, the young will drop to the ground and burrow deep into the earth.